How to make Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a Grindr account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make a Grindr account is very simple. All you have to do is open up the Grindr application here and then just see it will ask you to log in, but what we're going to do is we're trying to create a new account. So instead, tap on the sign up option from the top right hand side here. Now first of all, agree to the terms and conditions here. Tap on next, tap on accept. First of all, also make sure to enter your date, your month, and then the year, right? Make sure that you're over 18 years of age, then only you tap the next option here. After you do that, you can simply choose an email address that you want to use for your Grindr account. Then you can simply make sure to enter your password, reconfirm the password. Then you can tap on create account and then you'll be able to finish making your Grindr account. That's all it takes to make a Grindr account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.